Hey, welcome to Motivational Mondays. So, I just wanted to talk to you today about the thing that's going around. Everyone's talking about the coronavirus, and a lot of people are living in fear right now. So, I wanted to say to you that, the best thing that we can do is to support each other, support our communities, and to stay strong and look out for each other and just to try and stay safe and to not buy into the fear of panic buying. I see a lot of people panic buying. I'm in a different time zone to you, so I've got no idea what time it is in the UK, but I'm staying safe over here in South Africa, and I just wanted to say hi to everyone. And yes, let's just look out for each other. Let's be strong. Let's get together as a community, and we will get through this. And let's stay safe.